Chain the length of your project. Then insert the hook into the second chain counted from the hook. Yarn over and pull. Now you will have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through both loops. Continue until the end of the row. To turn your project, chain 1 and turn. Continue working in the upper part, underneath the V of each single crochet. While working, you will go underneath 2 loops, both V loops. If you want to create a more textured look, you can also only work in the front loop of the V or the back loop of the V. This is called front loop only and back loop only.